Guys, in this video I'm just showing you quickly how to clean your K&N air filter. This is supposed to be red. Look at all the stuff it caught in here. It's like insects, that's a big one. It's a big insect here, leaves, all the stuff. But I'd rather have it in the filter than in the engine, but time to come out. When you took it out of the box, this comes off also. And then I'm gonna shake it off quickly, get all the rough dirt out, and then it's time to clean it. As per the instructions, you just use the cleaner and you rinse it really liberally, like they say. You spray it, soak it in it, just let it absorb the cleaner so it loosens the dust and all the dirt particles in there. And after about 10 to 12 minutes, you then start to rinse it. Just make sure during the cleaning process to not let the cleaner dry on the filter. If anything, just spray more on it. And then you rinse it out. From the inside, in this case, to the outside, of course. From the clean side to the dirty side. Because obviously you want to rinse the dirt out of the filter, not deeper into it. So let's do that first. And after that, you simply let it dry naturally. Let's see what comes out. Jesus. That's a lot. Also gonna use a little bit compressed air to see what else comes out. Let's rinse. No pressure water. Inside or outside. Because it's been so dirty, I'm gonna go for a second round. So I'll just rinse this thing again. Oh, it doesn't look that white in person, to be honest. It looks white on the camera here. But I got most of the dirt out. It will never look like new again. But now I'm gonna let it dry by itself. Power of the sun. So filter has dried and it actually does look white again. Like most of the dirt did come out. Now it's time to make it red again. Spray this oil on here, it's a red filter. And there was it, just looped up the filter, just spray the oil for out the bleeds, and that's it. Now it's nice and red again, almost like new. Of course, a filter will never be like new again. Anyway, this is how you clean your K&N oil filter. It doesn't matter what shape it is, if it's flat, if it's mushroom like this. It's the same procedure. There you have it, thanks for watching. I hope I see you on the next video again.